Assalamu alaikum, my cooking in a budget family. Hope you all are doing well. What's your go-to iftar dish this Ramzan? Drop your favorites in the comments. Let's start the recipe. 2 bread slices chopped. 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander and 1 small onion sliced. 1 small potato finely grated. Salt to taste. 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of crushed cumin and coriander. Mix well. One cup of gram flour. Add 1 cup of water. Combine well. Deep fry in medium hot oil on medium flame. Fry until golden and crispy. Alhamdulillah. Our crispy, crunchy bread pakora is ready. No one will guess that there's bread in this recipe. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more budget-friendly recipes. Catch you soon with another delicious iftar recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.